Here's a good reason why you should always check your circuit integrity. Down there. I was getting ready to go get more Freon. That fuse was blown. And that's gonna be that little guy right there. Focus. Yeah, right there. Bam. So we're gonna plug that back in and hope that this coil that I got to replace the one that was in there is going to work. Thank you, Eric O from South Main Auto, for teaching me that little trick right there. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Why is this thing so blurry? There we go. Ah, GM problems. Come on, please. I feel it going down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got her. Yup.